Namaste everyone. Welcome to our day 2 of pranayama practice to pump some oxygen to your brain and lungs. In today's practice, we will do single nostril Kapalbhati and full Kapalbhati. Kapalbhati practice helpful for detoxify lungs by forceful exhale or forceful air out. This practice also clears mucus in respiratory tract, removes toxins from blood, and stimulates digestive organs to enhance overall toxin elimination. Hi, this is Amit Namdev and I'm here to guide you in today's practice. Let's grab a mat or sit on a couch and let's start. Let's sit down in comfortable position on the ground or on the chair or sofa, wherever you are following the video from. And then close your eyes and become aware of the body for a moment. Move your awareness around the body and release any tension if you may feel. Then bring your awareness onto your breath. Become aware of your breath. Onto your abdomen or onto your nostrils, wherever is convenient. See how breath moves in, stomach rises, and as you breathe out, stomach falls. Do not force your breath. Let it be as it is, naturally. You are simply becoming aware, an observer, a watcher who's watching how the breath is going in and out without influencing it. Now, we will do single nostril Kapalbhati. First of all, let's check which nostril is active and which nostril is less flowing or less active. So you will always have one blocked and one easy flow. So when you see that one side is easy flow, that means you're going to close that nostril, and we will work to clean and active the nostril that is not working properly, that is not active. So close the more active nostril. We can do 10 to 15 pumping in the beginning and gradually increase them. Breathe into your abdomen. Breathe out normally. Now breathe into your abdomen and forcefully exhale. Exhale, inhale, and exhale. Now change the nostril. Breathe into your abdomen. Breathe out normally. Now breathe into your abdomen and forcefully exhale. Exhale, inhale, and exhale. Release and relax. Bring your hands onto your knees, keep your eyes closed, and sit quietly for a while. Become aware how this pranayama is helping anxiety to leave your body, mind to calm down, and feel peaceful. Now we will do both nostril Kapalbhati, the normal Kapalbhati. So sit in Sukhasana, Padmasana if you are sitting on the ground. Otherwise keep sitting on the chair or your couch. Then inhale normally into your abdomen. Breathe out. A long and deep breath into your abdomen. Breathe out. Now breathe in fully, completely into your abdomen and begin. Exhale. Inhale and exhale. Release and relax. Sit quietly for a while and preparing your mind for second round. We will do 3 rounds today. Second round, inhale into your abdomen, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now inhale fully, completely into your abdomen and begin. Exhale, inhale and exhale. Release and relax. Prepare for the third round. Third round, inhale deeply into your abdomen, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now inhale fully, completely and begin. Exhale, inhale and exhale. Release and relax. Keep your eyes closed and gently lie down onto the back with feet apart, hands apart, palm facing upward the ceiling, and let the breathing settle. Let this prana begin to heal your body while you're relaxing. Release any tension or tiredness you may be feeling by becoming aware. Today's practice is completed.